The 10 logics why organizers are loving virtual events today. 1. Low cost. Unlike physical events, virtual events are affordable and budget-friendly. Expenses related to venues, setup, travel, hospitality, etc. are eliminated and greater ROI is achieved significantly. 2. Less time. Driving people, products and banners can happen quickly in virtual events. It takes a minimum of 2 weeks to plan a small, perfect virtual event for your business. Whereas, a physical event takes around 6 to 8 weeks. 3. Easy and adaptable. People who hate traveling can now attend events online from the comfort of their homes and devices. Virtual events are easy to launch and quickly adaptable. 4. Enable global networking. Virtual event platforms can help you network with global prospects and enhance your business branding and social presence. In this realm, there is a huge benefit for markets or businesses that want to go global. 5. Niche conversations. As virtual reality events are economical and enable vast connectivity with global audiences, focusing on niche subjects is mandatory and is a profitable strategy. 6. Loads of data and insights. In virtual events, businesses can have open access to immense data, insights, statistics, and also have a much more granular look into the audience interests. Recorded sessions and communications also help create better campaign strategies for upcoming virtual events. 7. Speakers. Keynote speakers are the most on-demand personnel for virtual events. Recorded virtual event presentations offer great flexibility, information and engagement to audiences globally. 8. Scalability. In virtual events, businesses can scale as fast and swift as their demands are. Especially, if you are using a dedicated streaming program rather than a video conferencing service. 9. Faster evolution. Virtual events are the best means to communicate and promote your products or services to customers in an innovative and interactive way. Regular focused launches work better than big ones. 10. Faster channel building. Virtual event platforms enable the integration of appointment calendar technologies into the software. They also allow the setup of live discussions while the event is still going. With this, businesses can smartly qualify the leads and expedite their journey through the sales funnel. Want to learn more about virtual events? Send us an email at hello@hexafair.com.